Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bosch reciprocating saw is probably one of the most versatile tools you can own. From demolition work to intricate carpentry, this saw can handle it all. Its powerful motor and reciprocating blade action make quick work of various materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this saw is a must-have addition to your toolkit, offering both power and precision. Number 5. Bosch PS60N 12V Max Pocket Reciprocating Saw. This saw is engineered for balanced handling, making it easy to control. It's also designed to reach tight spaces, perfect for those tricky jobs. With its short length, this tool is ideal for difficult cuts. You can also use it overhead without straining yourself. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, tool only, it reduces user fatigue. You can work longer and more comfortably with this tool. The 12V Max motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute. It can cut through materials like copper and conduit with ease. It features a front rubber-like wraparound boot to protect internal parts. This design helps keep dust, debris, and water out. The package includes the reciprocating saw, one metal blade, and one wood blade. Everything you need to get started is right here. Bosch 12V Max cordless power tools are covered by a 3-year limited warranty. You can be confident in its quality and durability. What we like. This saw's compact pocket design allows you to reach into tight spaces with ease. Its lightweight means less fatigue, especially when working overhead. If you are looking for a saw that is easy to maneuver and can handle tough cuts in confined areas, you should consider this one. What people say. Wow, cuts as well as my plug-in saw in less than half the weight and size. Easy to manage with one hand in tight spots. Lightweight and very efficient and has brushless motor. Sits well in the hand. Very sturdy. I use this thing all the time with Milwaukee Sawzall pruning blades. The size makes it great to maneuver into tight spaces like my huge bird of paradise plants, hibiscus trees and acacia trees and bushes. Number 4. Bosch PS60-102 12V Max Pocket Reciprocating Saw. This compact and lightweight reciprocating saw is perfect for tight spaces. Its ergonomic design allows for easy one-handed and overhead use. This saw is tough enough to cut through various materials, even hard ones like copper and conduit. It also features a fast motor brake for safer and more precise cuts. The saw has a complete protection system, including protection from overheating, overloading, and undervoltage. Electronic cell protection extends the tool's life and runtime. With its durable design and front rubber wrap, this saw protects its internal parts from dust, debris, and water. Its bumper design also minimizes vibration. The saw includes an LED light to illuminate dark workspaces and a battery fuel gauge to show the capacity level. It's a convenient tool for any job. Bosch 12V Max cordless power tools, chargers, and batteries are covered by a 3-year limited warranty, offering peace of mind. What we like. This saw is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for tight spaces. The LED light and fuel gauge add extra convenience. If you are looking for a saw with added features that enhance usability and provide more control, you should consider this one. What people say. Wow, cuts as well as my plug-in saw in less than half the weight and size. Easy to manage with one hand in tight spots. Lightweight and very efficient and has brushless motor. Sits well in the hand. Very sturdy. I use this thing all the time with Milwaukee Sawzall pruning blades. The size makes it great to maneuver into tight spaces like my huge bird of paradise plants, hibiscus trees and acacia trees and bushes. Number 3. Bosch CRS-180B 18V Cordless Reciprocating Saw. This reciprocating saw is designed to be lightweight. Weighing only 6.35 pounds, it's ideal for overhead work, making your job easier and less tiring. The saw's compact design allows it to fit into tight spaces. With a tool length of only 17.7 inches, it provides excellent maneuverability. This saw features a long 1 to 1/8 inch stroke. This design allows for efficient material removal, helping you get the job done faster. Changing blades is quick and easy with the lockjaw system. This one-handed system allows for fast blade changes, saving you time and effort. The saw offers two speed settings to match the material. This feature allows you to optimize the cutting speed for different materials, ensuring a clean and efficient cut. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control. You can ease the blade into the material, giving you greater control and accuracy. The saw features an ergonomic D-handle design. This design includes a soft grip zone for added comfort, even during extended use. What we like. This saw features a light cordless design, making overhead work easier. The lockjaw blade change system allows for fast, one-handed blade changes. If you like a saw that prioritizes ease of use and quick blade changes, you should consider this one. What people say. I have already used this a few times and love how easy this is to cut through most things like butter. I especially love how easy it is to change blades. No additional keys or chucks are needed to change out the blade. The saw's long stroke cuts through nasty, green hardwood perhaps better than any other reciprocating saw, while locals have not had to endure long-term noise of chainsaws. It is a little lighter than one would expect and very easy to handle. It cuts wood and fiberglass like butter. Number 2. Bosch CRS 180 B1518V Reciprocating Saw Kit. This reciprocating saw is designed to be lightweight, weighing only 6.35 pounds without the battery. This makes it ideal for overhead work, reducing fatigue and increasing efficiency. The saw uses a compact 18V battery, providing next-generation power and runtime. This design reduces the overall weight, making it easier to handle throughout the workday. With a tool length of only 17.7 inches, this saw is designed for tight spaces. This compact size allows it to maneuver easily in confined areas, increasing versatility. The saw features a 1 to 1/8-inch stroke, which offers more efficient material removal. This feature allows the saw to cut through materials quickly and effectively. It has a lockjaw toolless blade change system for fast, one-handed blade changes. This feature saves time and simplifies the process of switching blades. The saw offers two speed settings, allowing you to match the cutting speed to the material. This feature provides greater control and precision for various cutting tasks. The variable speed trigger allows the blade to be eased into the material. This feature provides added control, allowing for a smooth start and precise cuts. What we like. This saw has a light cordless design, making it great for overhead work. The compact 18V battery provides next-gen power and runtime. If you are looking for a saw that combines power and runtime with a compact design, you should consider this one. What people say. I have already used this a few times and love how easy this is to cut through most things like butter. I especially love how easy it is to change blades. No additional keys or chucks are needed to change out the blade. The saw's long stroke cuts through nasty, green hardwood perhaps better than any other reciprocating saw, while locals have not had to endure long-term noise of chainsaws. It is a little lighter than one would expect and very easy to handle. It cuts wood and fiberglass like butter. Number 1. Bosch RS325 120V Reciprocating Saw. This saw packs 12 amps of power while weighing only 7 pounds. It's designed for professional use, making extended applications easier. At only 17.8 inches long, it allows for easier cutting in tight spots. This compact size helps reduce fatigue, especially when working overhead. The orbital action feature allows for fast cutting in various materials. This feature ensures efficient and effective performance. The variable speed trigger gives you improved control. It allows you to adjust the cutting speed to match the material you're working with. The fixed foot provides a robust and solid design. It's built for the toughest applications, eliminating issues during use. The soft ergonomic handle provides maximum comfort. It ensures a secure grip during cutting, reducing strain. It features a robust blade holder system. This system is designed for reliable and durable performance, ensuring a long lifespan. What we like. This saw offers a high power-to-weight ratio, providing professional operation. The constant orbital action ensures fast cutting in all materials. If you have demanding cutting tasks and need a saw that delivers both power and efficiency, you should consider this one. What people say. Cut easily tree branches 4 inches thick and 2x4 posts like butter. The blades are simple to install, it comes with only one blade so I ordered additional ones which worked perfectly. The design is easy to grip and fits better in more confined working space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.